Think milk is your ultimate calcium fix. Think again. While milk gets all the credit, there are 9 surprising foods packed with more calcium than your favorite dairy drink. Ready to discover these bone-boosting powerhouses? If you want stronger bones, better joint flexibility, and to avoid brittle bones as you age, this video is a must-watch. Today, we're uncovering 9 hidden gems in your diet that are richer in calcium than milk. Trust me, some of these will shock you. Let's get started. 1. Chia seeds, tiny powerhouses of calcium. Chia seeds are a nutritious and versatile addition to any diet, and they offer a surprising amount of calcium. Just 2 tablespoons, 28 grams, of chia seeds provide around 180 milligrams of calcium, which is about 60% of the calcium content found in a glass of milk. What makes chia seeds even more remarkable is that they are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which provide additional health benefits, including for bone health. The high fiber content in chia seeds is particularly beneficial for overall digestive health, which plays a key role in calcium absorption. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds are essential for reducing inflammation in the body, including inflammation in the joints, which can help promote better joint flexibility and reduce the risk of conditions like arthritis. Chia seeds also contain magnesium, a mineral that works in tandem with calcium to support bone density. Studies have shown that magnesium can help prevent bone loss and support the formation of new bone tissue. Because chia seeds are rich in both calcium and magnesium, they can provide a well-rounded nutritional profile for maintaining strong bones and joints. These tiny seeds can easily be added to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or baked goods, making them a convenient and powerful addition to your diet. 2. Almonds, a calcium-rich nut. Almonds are an excellent source of calcium and a healthy snack for supporting bone health. A 1-ounce, 28-gram, serving of almonds contains about 75 milligrams of calcium, or around 25% of the calcium in a glass of milk. Almonds are not only rich in calcium but also offer healthy fats, protein, fiber, and a range of vitamins and minerals that benefit bones and joints. In addition to calcium, almonds are a good source of magnesium, which is crucial for bone health, as it helps regulate calcium levels in the body and aids in the formation of bone matrix. Magnesium also supports muscle function and reduces the risk of muscle cramps, making almonds a great choice for those looking to maintain both strong bones and flexible joints. They can be enjoyed raw, roasted, or incorporated into a variety of dishes, such as salads, smoothies, and baked goods. 3. Sesame seeds, a rich source of calcium. Sesame seeds, particularly in their unhulled form, are an excellent source of calcium, offering more calcium per ounce than many dairy products. A 1-ounce, 28-gram, serving of sesame seeds contains approximately 280 milligrams of calcium, which is more than the amount found in a glass of milk. This makes sesame seeds one of the most calcium-dense foods available. Sesame seeds are also rich in lignans, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help protect bones from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body, which can contribute to joint pain and stiffness. The high fat content in sesame seeds, primarily in the form of healthy fats, further supports overall joint health by reducing inflammation. Sesame seeds can be sprinkled on salads, cereals, or incorporated into granola bars, offering an easy and flavorful way to boost calcium intake. 4. Sardines, a calcium-rich fish. While plant-based foods are often the focus for calcium-rich diets, sardines are a notable animal-based option that provides an impressive amount of calcium. Unlike many other fish, sardines are typically eaten with their bones, which makes them an exceptional source of calcium. A 3-ounce, 85-gram, serving of canned sardines contains around 325 milligrams of calcium, more than a glass of milk, which has approximately 300 milligrams. Sardines are also a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and contribute to joint health. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to reduce joint stiffness and pain, making sardines an excellent food choice for individuals with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions affecting the joints. The combination of calcium, omega-3s, and vitamin D makes sardines an ideal food for strengthening bones and supporting flexible joints. Sardines are also low in mercury compared to other fish, making them a safer choice for regular consumption. 5. Tofu, a calcium-rich source. Tofu, made from soybeans, is an excellent source of plant-based calcium, especially when it is prepared with calcium sulfate, a coagulant that enhances its calcium content. A 100-gram serving of tofu can contain up to 253 milligrams of calcium, which is comparable to or even greater than the calcium content in an 8-ounce serving of milk, which provides around 300 milligrams of calcium. Tofu is particularly beneficial for individuals who follow a vegan or vegetarian diet and need to ensure adequate calcium intake without consuming dairy. In addition to its calcium content, tofu is rich in protein, essential amino acids, and other nutrients that support bone health, including magnesium and iron. Magnesium, in particular, works synergistically with calcium to enhance bone mineralization, improve bone density, and reduce the risk of fractures. Tofu is also a versatile food that can be incorporated into a wide variety of dishes, from savory stir-fries to smoothies and desserts, making it a convenient and nutritious addition to any diet. 6. Kale, a green powerhouse of calcium. Kale, one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens, is another food that provides more calcium than milk. A 100-gram serving of kale offers about 150 milligrams of calcium, compared to the 300 milligrams found in a typical glass of milk. However, this amount of calcium can still make a significant contribution to daily calcium intake. Kale is also rich in other nutrients essential for bone health, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and magnesium. Vitamin K plays an important role in bone metabolism by supporting the production of osteocalcin, a protein that helps bind calcium to the bone matrix. Kale is also high in antioxidants, which can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, factors that contribute to bone loss over time. Kale's calcium content is further enhanced when consumed with other calcium-boosting foods, such as fortified plant-based milks or nuts. To maximize calcium absorption from kale, it is best to eat it raw or lightly cooked. However, because kale contains compounds known as oxalates that can bind to calcium and reduce its absorption, it is important to include a variety of calcium-rich foods in your diet. 7. Dried figs, a sweet and calcium-packed snack. Dried figs are another surprising source of calcium, with a 100-gram serving offering around 180 milligrams of calcium. This is approximately 60% of the calcium found in an 8-ounce glass of milk. Dried figs are not only rich in calcium but also provide an array of other nutrients that support bone health, including fiber, potassium, and magnesium. Potassium helps neutralize the effects of sodium on calcium loss through urine, which can further help preserve calcium levels in the body. Magnesium, as previously mentioned, supports calcium absorption and bone mineralization, while fiber promotes digestive health and aids in the proper absorption of nutrients. Including calcium, dried figs are an easy, portable, and naturally sweet snack that can be enjoyed on their own or added to oatmeal, salads, and baked goods. However, it is important to note that dried figs are high in sugar, so moderation is key to avoid excess calorie intake. 8. Bok choy, a leafy green with a calcium boost. Bok choy, a type of Chinese cabbage, is a calcium-rich vegetable that is often overlooked as a source of this essential mineral. A 100-gram serving of bok choy provides approximately 105 milligrams of calcium, which is nearly half the amount found in a glass of milk. Like other leafy greens, bok choy also contains magnesium, vitamin K, and vitamin C, which are all vital for maintaining healthy bones. Bok choy is also low in oxalates, making it an ideal food for individuals seeking to maximize their calcium absorption. This leafy green can be consumed raw in salads, added to soups and stir-fries, or sautéed as a side dish. Its mild flavor and crisp texture make it a versatile ingredient in many different types of cuisine. In addition to its calcium content, bok choy offers anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of bone-related conditions such as arthritis. Its high water content is also beneficial for maintaining hydration, which is important for joint health and flexibility. 9. Fortified plant-based milks, a calcium powerhouse. Fortified plant-based milks, such as almond milk, soy milk, and oat milk, are excellent alternatives for individuals who cannot or choose not to consume dairy products. These milks are often enriched with calcium, providing as much or even more calcium than cow's milk. For example, a cup, 240 milliliters, of fortified soy milk contains approximately 300 milligrams of calcium, similar to the amount found in dairy milk. Fortified plant-based milks are not only rich in calcium but also provide other nutrients important for bone health, such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, and riboflavin. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption in the gut. And without adequate vitamin D levels, the body cannot effectively utilize the calcium consumed from food sources. Fortified plant-based milks, particularly those fortified with both calcium and vitamin D, are an ideal choice for individuals who may be at risk for vitamin D deficiency, such as those living in areas with limited sunlight. In addition to soy milk, other plant-based milks such as almond milk, oat milk, and rice milk are often fortified with calcium, although the amounts may vary. It is important to choose unsweetened or lightly sweetened varieties to avoid excess sugar intake. When selecting plant-based milks, it is essential to check the label to ensure that they are fortified with calcium and vitamin D.